Ever feel like you're about to make a perfect trade, but just as you pull the trigger, the market turns around? You know, those moments when you're right about the direction but wrong about the timing. Well, let me tell you, timing is everything when you're trading smart money concepts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful tools in smart money trading, order blocks. In this chapter, we are going to show you how to identify order blocks and use them to pinpoint high probability entries. And yes, we are making it mobile friendly for all of you mobile traders out there. What are order blocks? Breaking down the smart money entry signal. Alright, let's cut to the chase. Order blocks are one of the most critical components in smart money trading, but what exactly is an order block? It's simple. An order block is an area on the chart where smart money, the big banks, institutions have placed huge buy and sell orders. Think of an order block like a launchpad. It's the spot where the big players set their positions before making a significant move in the market. These blocks are created by powerful institutions that know where the money is, so when price returns to these zones, it's like an invitation for the market to move. Here's the thing. Order blocks are your entry signal. When price returns to an order block and shows signs of rejection or consolidation, that's a golden opportunity to enter a trade. You are essentially trading with the banks, not against them. Types of order blocks you need to know. Now, let's break down the different types of order blocks that you come across in your trading journey. Bullish order blocks. Buying opportunities. First up, we have bullish order blocks. This is created when price has dropped significantly, then start to push higher. A bullish order block occurs when price leaves behind a strong bearish candle, usually a large one that breaks previous highs. If price returns to this block, it suggests that there is demand at that level. Smart money sees this and enters long, and that's your cue. If price reacts by going higher, you know you are on the right track. Bearish order blocks. Selling opportunities. On the flip side, we have bearish order blocks. This is the opposite. When price moves significantly, then drops like a falling knife, a bearish order block occurs when price creates strong bullish candle that breaks the previous lows. When price returns to these bearish order blocks, it's like a supply zone signaling that smart money is looking to sell. So, when price gets back there and shows signs of rejection, you have your opportunity to sell. How to enter using order blocks, step by step guide. Now that we know what order blocks are and how to identify them, let's talk about how to trade them. I'm about to break down the exact step you need to follow to enter the market using order blocks. Step 1. Identify order blocks. First, look for a large bullish or bearish candle that breaks previous highs or lows. This is the order block. Step 2. Wait for price to return to the order block. Don't rush in. When price just touches it, patience is key. Wait for price to test that area and show signs of rejection like a pin bar or engulfing candle. Step 3. Enter the trade once price has confirmed that it's rejecting the order block. Enter the trade in the direction of the market's intent, long for bullish and short for bearish. Use a tight stop loss below the order block for buy orders or above it for sell orders. And that's it. You have now learned to trade using order blocks, one of the most powerful strategies in the smart money trading. With this knowledge, you'll be able to trade with precision, knowing exactly when to enter the market and where the big players are positioning themselves. And that's how you use order blocks to enter the market like a smart money pro. Don't chase the market, let it come to you, and you see your win rate improve dramatically. In our next chapter, we will combine order blocks with liquidity zones to create a powerful system that will make you unstoppable. But before we go, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with the fellow traders. Thanks for watching. Remember, trade smart, think big, and make your next move your best move. See you in the next chapter.